Alright, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. This is a channel, not really a channel update, more or less my Miata update. So, as you can see, I got my engine bay repainted. That's why I pulled the engine in the first place. I fixed my coolant leak in the back. I got my turbo sitting on here. That's not my actual turbo I'm going to use. I'm just kind of using that for now to mock up lengths, because it's going to be about the same as my other one that I'm going to buy. Intercooler sitting in the car right now. I need to re-tap the bungs on it for a bigger bolt. Like I said, slowly piecing the kit together. I got my cold side of the intake, or the intercooler piping done. Just waiting to get that other turbo for the hot side. And then now, currently I'm re-luming this wire harness so it looks good and I can actually, put a little bit of effort into the car instead of just quickly electrical taping the whole harness. And that was looked really bad, so I want it to look good.
Yeah, might as well.
Same with, instead of just running like hose barb fittings on my turbo drain, like the oil drain, I'm gonna run AN10 fittings. So I might actually pull the engine again to pull the pan to weld the bung off, but or weld the bung on it, or just get 3/8 NTP tab and use that same thread. So
yep, a lot of progress done.
Yeah, gotta buy seat brackets and new seats, so I'm gonna get rid of those too.
I'm probably gonna buy
Yeah,
one of them at least.
throw them in the other Miata.
Yeah, it needs seats bad.
I gotta get a cage welded in it, get my angle kit, a whole list of stuff, and it's gonna be like $10,000 worth of stuff that I gotta dump into this car. So.
$10,000 turbo build.
No, $10,000 just car
Everything build.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's gonna get paint and wheels, and we have till May, so.
Yeah, that's my goal, is till
The goal is May for me as well, so hopefully both Miatas will be on the road by May.
Oh yeah.
So
That's pretty much it.
that's pretty much what's been going on with Matthew's car. My car, I'm gonna repaint the bay. You saw we painted it in one of the last videos, but other than that, my engine's got the head gasket and stuff and the water pump. I just need to buy new timing gear because my crank's pretty messed up. You saw that.
That was really bad.
So I got some Loctite for that, but
I think we'll be able to fix it, and she
Yeah.
should run mint, so.
yeah, shouldn't be too bad.
I think we used a little too much flake on the black, so
Yeah, definitely. I got a lot of sanding to do.
we'll get her hopefully down to bare metal and then redo it. So we're gonna completely strip his bay, even though he didn't want to. So
Down the rabbit hole.
yeah, pretty much. I'm gonna have everybody's engine bays shaved and wire tucked by the end of this. But that's pretty much it for my car. It should.
Yeah, stay tuned for more
Done
Miata
soon.
content.